Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Start by going into Tab menu and clicking on those three dots located on the right of brightness slider. Now click on the gray sweater next to adaptive brightness to activate it, or on a blue sweater to switch it off. Wherever you decided when you finished, to save your changes, click on Done. You can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Then click on this sweater next to adaptive brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!